Hi folks, it's Ed Tapper back from Mr. C's Automart. It's a nice day today and we have a beautiful new arrival. This is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo L, the new body style, the WL. So this has got a 7-passenger capacity. It's a really beautiful extended full-size SUV like a Yukon now. Deep tinted glass as you see, body colored door handles. It's got the Michelin 18-inch 10-spoke wheels. It's only got 18,000 miles. It's under full factory warranty. Bumper to bumper. That's the 3.6-liter V6 engine, 290 horsepower. There are Jeep trademarks like the 7-slit grille, honeycombed with chrome trim and chrome lower bumper trim. So it's under full bumper-to-bumper warranty. That's $336 bumper-to-bumper, another 18,000 miles, and 5-year 60 powertrain. It's got the rear deck lid spoiler. So this has a lot of room. There's your back seat, center armrest, and here's your rear media ports, rear air and heat. And then when you want to enter the back seat, if you're a passenger, this is a tilt and slide. Look how neat that is. All this room to get in, and look how much room the backseat passengers have. That's unbelievable. And then these seats can fold down like so on both sides, or one or the other. It's a 4-wheel drive, by the way, with the on-demand 4-wheel drive system. Rear park sensors, power liftgate, remote start. So again, here's your rear platform if you want to release this seat. Again, you can reconfigure this in hundreds and hundreds of ways, but you see how much room you can have if you need storage space, and how much room the passengers have. So this is really a true full-size SUV with great comfort for the passengers. We pan around here to the passenger side. Again, I want to emphasize the room the backseat passengers have. And power driver's seat, 10-way, a manual passenger seat. I've got my USB hooked in here. Beautiful interior trim with this, which is polished aluminum and titanium gray. And we'll get in here to finish up. We have a 10-way power seat with lumbar. Beautiful silver seam etching and patterned premium interior. See, the steering wheel has that stitch etching. It's really beautiful. Here's your steering wheel controls. Cruise. It's got advanced cruise control, so that is great technology that's going to judge the distance between the vehicle you're following. There's your mileage. So it's got Bluetooth controls, and we're going to hook in our Apple CarPlay. So you see we have nav using the Apple or Android CarPlay. There's your rear park assist, start-stop technology, lane departure, collision warning, front and rear optical detection. It's got just trying to play with this a little. We do have rear backup camera, of course. There is your profile, clock, and date. You have heated seats on both sides. Heated steering column. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Here's the rest of your apps from your device manager. There's your media ports. There's your heated seats, heated steering column also. I would invite you to come by and take a look. This is going to be $38,998. It's well below book, and again, under full factory warranty. Call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, mrcsautomart.com. Thanks.